Welcome to Planbook. We are so happy you're here. Whether you received an invite email from your administrator or are signing up on your own, we are here to help you start the school year off strong. To start, you will enter your email address into the email address or user ID field, along with a password of your choosing in the password field. If you are signing up on your own, you will hit the Sign Up button and follow the similar prompts. From here, you will be directed to begin setting up your account. You will enter your first and last name into the name fields below, along with a display name, which will appear in your user settings. If you are joining a school subscription, the school name will be pre-populated here. Once we click Continue, we will advance to set up our school year. We can change the school year name, adjust the first and last day of school here, and we can also specify whether our classes meet on a weekly basis, on a 2-week basis, or on a cycle schedule, for example, A days and B days. Once we make a selection, we can click Continue. Planbook allows you to divide your lessons into sections, which we refer to as lesson layouts. This is an initial layout that will determine the headers or sections within your lessons. We have the basic layout option here, along with the instructional layout and detailed layout here. For this example, I'm going to select the basic lesson layout and click Continue. From here, we will be prompted to add a class. You can change the class or subject name in the class or subject field, and change the color of the class or subject by selecting the paint palette. To add your next class, select Add Another Class. Once again, you will name your class, select a color for that class, and then click Finish. A video guide and an overview tour option will appear as you enter your new account. You can access these resources at any time through our knowledge base or the bottom right corner of your user settings. Once you are in your account, you will see the classes that you created and can start adding lessons right away. To do this, click on a lesson box, give your lesson a title, and add your lesson content here. Once you click Save, you'll be able to see the changes that you've made to that lesson.